like Bensley to please come up and share something about the group.
Thank you for this wonderful audience who have come here. Now, my main role here be to give a small introduction on both these groups before the directors come and speak. Let me start first of all with the group that is based in Hyderabad, which is Sri Sai Ram Group. Sri Sai Ram Group is a construction company that is based in Hyderabad, having been here in the industry for more than 21 years and having completed 3.5 million square feet of work. Their main construction would be into buildings, apartments, bungalows, and they are very much known in real estate in Hyderabad. Now, the major or the best points of Sri Ram Group would be the reputation, the experience that they've had over the years, a very dedicated team that they have. They stress on quality, which has been their primary focus, whether be it quality in technology, whether be it in the materials used, be it in the layouts, be it in the design, be it after sales. They stress on quality. Over the last 21 years, they have been able to give, they have 3,000 happy customers. So that is a big number in itself. The major strength or the major focus of the group is every project. I stress again, each and every project of the group is treated like a first project. Thank you. The number of buildings that they have done over these years is 200 plus buildings. They've got a customer base of over 7,000 happy customers. If we break those numbers into days, months, years, we see that the number speaks for itself. The average works out to be 2 flats per day, which is a big number in itself. The group works, I'm sure that everybody would have been seeing this AV that was being played. A lot of the group has been said in the AV, but let me just stress again on a few basic things. The group works all the way from Mira Road to Virar in Mumbai. They have had construction of more than 4 million square feet over the last 10 years.
So, the Sai Ram Group, which is experienced in last 20 years, we are doing projects all over the Hyderabad in the last 20 years. Almost we have completed around 30-35 projects and around 20 million is 2 million SFT as of now. So now the present venture, what we are doing at Hyphenspate is at advanced stage and which is around 12 lakh SFT, that's 1.2 million SFT we are constructing. This is almost in the finishing stage. Now we thought that the present Hyderabad market requires some different schemes, different energy, different type of people, because the present scenario is so that people are struggling to purchase flats because of financial problems and the present scenario and lot of uncertainty over their jobs, and they wanted to be safe in future. Now in this scheme, actually what we have come to know with the Rashmi Group, the scheme which they have planned and they are successful in Mumbai last 10 years, and the scheme actually it is working. I thought it works out. in a big way in Hyderabad. Such a scheme has not come over here and nobody has thought of such schemes. And this scheme gives so relief to the customer that without paying interest, he can able to purchase flats. That's a big boost for the customer, where every customer is thinking of going for loan and paying interest for 10 to 15 years, and it is becoming a big burden on the customers. Now, with this scheme, it's a very simple scheme, and it's almost self-financing scheme. So the purchasers can afford, and whatever they are spending on interest, with the interest itself, they can able to purchase this flat. So in that way, actually, it is helpful to the customer, and it's a different scheme. And what I thought it will be very useful in last 20 years, what I saw is with my experience, the customers, what they are feeling, when they come for purchasing a flat, definitely their budget constraint will be there. With the budget constraint, they are not able to take right decisions. So because of budget constraints and loan opportunities, how much loan they can able to get. First they wanted to buy a flat. First they will go to bank and they will inquire about the loans. That's the main basic. Everybody whoever wanted to purchase, the only on the basis of loan they are thinking. Now they can think beyond the loan. Without loan also they can able to purchase a flat. That's the only USP in this scheme. That's what I can say. So I like this scheme with the Rasmi Group, and we have expertise in construction. They are also expertise in construction, and I thought if we both join together, that will a big boost to the company as well as to the purchasers, marketing the flats. So on that basis, we have joined together, and now we are planning to take up a venture at Officepet. But already we are doing a venture at Officepet. In addition to that, we have around 22 acres of land, which is already under joint development. We are planning to join together for these 22 acres. So as a joint venture, and we wanted to go ahead with this venture, and future we are planning to expand in Hyderabad with this same scheme. And wherever there is a requirement of flats for any people who cannot able to afford, and because those who don't have a ability to take loans, for them this scheme is very good, and we are planning to expand this joint venture in a big way in Hyderabad. And with this, I thank for all the media people and the guests who have come over here. I'll hand over this to